What's up guys, in today's video we will be creating this kind of send text effect using Adobe Photoshop. This design is fully customizable. It means that you can change the text anytime you want. If you want to download this project file, check the link in the video's description. It is absolutely for free. So subscribe to the channel, also ring the bell icon so you will get notified whenever I post any video just like this one. Anyways, let's jump to the video and get started. So here we are in Photoshop, and the first thing that we need to do is to create new document. Size is 1920 by 1080 and the resolution is 72 pixels per inch. Click on create. Click on the color picker and pick a bright yellow color. Hit OK. Make sure this layer is active and press Alt plus backspace key on your keyboard to fill the selected layer with foreground color. Now take the type tool, click anywhere on the canvas and type whatever you want. Confirm it, pick the move tool and align it to the center. Let's create new layer on top of it and rename it lines. Take the brush tool. Make sure your foreground color is black and draw random lines on the edges just like this. Select this layer and create a new layer on top of it. Fill the selected layer with white color. Now select all of these layers and convert them into a smart object so we can edit it later. Let's call it text. Now as you can see, the edges is too harsh, so to make it soft there is a very simple way in Photoshop. So to make it soft and rounded, we need to go to filter, blur and choose Gaussian blur. Blur it a little bit and then hit OK. Press Ctrl L to open levels and then add brightness and contrast to the selected layer by moving these sliders. Hit OK when you are done. Now to remove the white background, right click on the layer and choose blending option. Hold Alt or Option key on your keyboard and click on this slider. And then move this slider all the way to the left side and then hit OK. It will remove the white background. Before adding color to the text, we need to convert the layer into a smart object. So right click on it and choose convert to smart object. Now we can colorize it. Right click on it and go to blending option. Click on color overlay and pick the color that we used before. Click on bevel and emboss. Style is pillow emboss. Technique is chisel hard. Depth is 100%. Direction is down. Size is 75. Soften is 8. Angle is 90. Altitude is 30. Check anti-alias option. Highlight mode is linear dodge 8. The color is white and the opacity is 20%. Shadow mode is linear burn. Color is black and the opacity is 40%. Hit OK. Now duplicate this layer by pressing Ctrl J. Remove these effects from it. Right click on it and go to blending option. Again click on color overlay and go to bevel and emboss. This time the style is inner bevel. Technique is smooth. Depth is 250. Size is 45. Soften is 11. Angle is 130. Altitude is 45. Highlight opacity is 0% and the shadow opacity is 30%. And then hit OK. Now blur it a little bit by going to filter, blur and choose Gaussian blur. Blur it about 4 pixels and then hit OK. Now the last thing that we need to do is to create the sand. Let's create new layer and rename it grains. Pick a 50% gray color. Make sure this B value is 50 and the S value is 0. Hit OK. Select the paint bucket tool and click on the canvas. Now convert the layer into a smart object so we can edit its value later. Also change its blend mode to overlay. Now go to filter, noise and choose add noise. Check Gaussian and monochromatic and the amount is 7%. Hit OK. And now it is done. Now you can change the text anytime you want. Double click on this layer, it will open another document. Now double click on this layer to open a new document and here you can edit the text. Close the document when you are done and save it. Close this one and save it. And Photoshop will update everything for you. And there you have. By the way, if you want to learn how to create this kind of amazing 3D text design, you can watch this video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Hit the like button if you like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Also ring the bell icon so you will get notified whenever I post a new video. I'll be catch you in my next video. Till then, peace.